Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all how you get lashes that are going to stay on all day, all night, on a roller coaster. So what you're going to need is lash glue of your preference. I preferably like the Duo brush on adhesive and the dark shade, and it looks like this. I like the ones with the wand because you have better control on it. And it's just gonna look like this. Then you're gonna need lashes of your choice, and I usually just keep the lashes of my rotation in this one. So I'm doing a little bit of a more dramatic eye. I would usually go between the light and flared ones where they touch your eyebrows, very dramatic and cute, and then these two as well. They're pretty full, but I think I want to go in with this one. I haven't tried it and it's a little dramatic. And you could also use your hands or tweezers. I preferably like tweezers just to place on the lash, but I can't find them at the moment, so I'm just gonna be a savage and just like stick it on. I like to measure the lash to my eye to see if I need to cut anything. Usually I don't because I have larger set eyes, but I just like to place it on to get a good fit for when I want to secure it. I'll have enough wiggle room to reach to the back and the front. So I hold my lash very close to the middle of the band. To really secure it, you don't have to do this, but this is how I like to do it so I don't have to touch up throughout the day. So I'm going to take my lash and just start painting the glue on it. And I'm probably doing about 2 layers of glue on it. So I'm going to try to get my natural lashes to lay it down flat. I'm just going to get as close as possible to my lash line and just start applying the lash glue. So if I had the tweezers, I would just apply it like so, and then I am keeping my natural lashes down once again, and I'm applying that to the middle of my eye. And then I am going to push it as close as possible to make sure it is very secure. And then you have a nice lashes. But yeah, that's cute. I like this lash. Alright, so this is how I get my effortless clockwise eyelashes. So if you happen to try out the technique, let me know in the comments, see how you liked it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.